Class 7 Mathematics, Exercise 6.1. The topic is exponent. First of all, we want to know the law of exponent. What is the law of exponent? So, first law, that is a to the power m into a to the power n. That is a to the power m plus n. It is the first law. Now come to the second law, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So it will be subtracting power, subtract हो जाएगी, that is m minus n. Suppose a to the power m and power of a power n. So it is a to the power m into n. ये 3 रूल्स, और भी रूल्स हैं वो भी देखते हैं जरा हम लोग. But these 3 rules are very important. If a into b has power n, so that is a to the power n into b to the power n. If a upon b to the power n, that means a to the power n upon b to the power n. If you have a to the power 0, that means its value is 1. Always remember, a to the power 0, that is 1. If base are same, so power is adding, and so on, something. Now come to the question number first. Question number first. राइट द फॉलोइंग इन एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म. मीन्स ये इन सबको एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म की उसमें लिखना है. हाउ कैन वी राइट दिस वन? सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So how many 3? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 3, so it becomes 3 to the power 5. That is your answer. It's your answer of the first part. Now count the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it becomes 5 to the power 8 as an answer. Now come to the C part, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that is a to the power 7. It's your answer. Now here is b, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the 4b. So b to the power 4 as your answer. Now come to the second question. It is your second question. How can solve this question? The first part of this question. Second question, that is factorize the following and write in the exponent form. पहले इसका फैक्टराइजेशन करना है, फिर इसको एक्सपोनेंट की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो हाउ कैन डू दिस? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू स्टार्ट योर फर्स्ट a part, that is the 15 to the power 4. So you can write 15 to the power 4. How can do this? As you know, 3 5 ja 15, so 3 into 5, the whole power is 4. And now separate the powers. जो 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4. That is your answer. It's your first part. Now come to the second part. Second part is this one, B part. It is 42 to the power 5. So 42 to the power 5. What will be happen? 42. First of do the prime factors. 2 2 ja 1 and 2 1 ja 2. Once again 3 7 ja. Now 7. So it becomes 2 into 3 into 7 and whole power is 5. So you can write here. So what will be happen? Separate the powers. 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 7 to the power 5. That is your answer. Now come to the C part. How can do the C part? That is your C part. It is 51 to the power 3. It is 51 to the power 3. So what will be happen in this? 51 के प्राइम फैक्टर करना है हमें पहले. So 3 1 जा 3, 3 7 जा 21, then once again 71. So it becomes 3 into 17 and whole power is 3. Now separate the powers. So 3 to the power 3 into 17 to the power 3. That is your answer. So you can do easily. Now the last two parts, that means D and E, it is the homework and you can do at home. If it is not understood, so you can ask me. Now come to the next question, that is the third question, and third is given as prove that. It is prove that question. Prove that the following. First one is A part, that is the A into B into C to the power P is equal to A to the power P into B to the power P into C to the power P. And the second one, B is 30 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5, and so on. You can do. First part is very easy, so I will start your second part, that is the B part. It is 30 to the power 5. Now do the prime factor 30. So 30 के prime factor करने में 2 1 जा 2 and 2 5 जा 10. Once again 3 5 जा 10. So 5, that is 1. So that means factor is 2 into 3 into 5 and whole power is 5. Now separate the powers. So that is 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. That is your answer. It's very simple, so you can do very easy. Now what will be happen in C part? So you can do C parts very well. This one is C part. It is 616 to the power 9. It is your left hand side. So what will be happen? 616, do the prime factor. First of all, it is 2. So 2 3 ja 6 and 0 2 8 ja, and once again 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10 and 2 4 ja. Once again with 2, it is 2 7 ja 14 and 2 7 ja 14. Once again by 7, it is 11. फिर once again 11, so it becomes 1. So how many 2's? 2's 3 हैं. So you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 11. So whole power is, that is 9 power. So what will be happen? It is 2 to the power 3 into 7 into 11. The whole power is 9. 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So 8 into 7 into 11. The whole power is 9. Now separate the power. So 8 to the power 9 into 7 to the power 9 into 11 to the power 9. And that is your right hand side, and hence proved. So only one part is for your homework, so you can do very well. That is the first part. Now come to the fourth question, and fourth question is write the following in exponent form by using rule 3. Rule 3 मैंने बताया था, सेपरेट करके जो है उसको हम लेना है. How can use? So you can see here in the first question, this is your first question. It is 6 to the power 8 into 7 to the power 8. So what will be happen? Now you can write here 6 into 7 and whole power is 8. 6 7 ja, it is 42 to the power 8. That is your answer. Now come to the second part of this. That one is second part. It is a cube into b cube. That means a into b whole power is 3. So you can write ab to the power 3, and that is your answer. These are the very simple questions. Now C part, it is p to the power 9 into q to the power 9, it is power 9, q to the power 9 into r to the power 9. So what will be happen? So p into q into r and whole power is 9. So here is, you can write p q r and whole power is 9. That is your answer. Now D part for your homework, so you can do at home. That is the D part. Now come to the next question. The next question, that is the fifth question, whether it is true or false. So question is state true or false. So how can do this? First, applying the exponent laws. So how can apply? So 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 4. So you can add the power 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, that is 7. So that one is true. You can write true. Now come to the C part. First part is completed. Now C part. 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 2. So that is wrong, because 2 into 3, that is the 6 and whole power. So that is false. Now come to the E part. 2 to the power 3 into the power 4 part. So this power is multiply, or you can change interchange you can. So that is the true. Now come to the B part. This B part. 5 to the power 15 into 5 to the power 5. So 5 to the power 20. That is the false, because base सेम होने पर मल्टीप्लाई होती हैं या ऐड होती हैं पावर्स. No, it is true. Base are same, so power may be added, so it is your true, not false. 27 is 3 to the power 3 and power 2, so it becomes interchange the power, so it is true. You can write true. Yes, your exercise be finished, so you can do rest of the part at home, and that is important. आप अपना होमवर्क कर लेंगे, और करने के बाद मुझे कॉपी भी चेक करनी है. जब स्कूल खुलेंगे तो मैं कॉपी चेक करूँगा. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट्स भी दें. यदि कोई चीज़ समझ में नहीं आती है तो उसके लिए व्हाट्सएप भी करें.